Did you know that the secret to building the next generation of cars, planes, and electronics could be hiding right here, off the coast of South Africa? It sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that studying our incredible marine life could land you a top job in advanced manufacturing? Stick around, because we're diving deep into how the ocean is shaping the future of engineering. Welcome back. When you think of marine biology, you probably picture swimming with dolphins or exploring coral reefs. And while that's part of it, there's a massive, untapped world of opportunity that connects our oceans to high-tech industries. South Africa, with its unique coastline stretching over 2,800 kilometers, is at the forefront of this revolution. It's not just about observing life, it's about learning from it to build a better, more sustainable future. First, let's talk about kelp. You've seen those massive underwater forests swaying in the currents. Well, scientists are now transforming kelp into These are strong, lightweight, and biodegradable materials that can replace plastics and even some metals. Imagine a car part that's grown in the ocean, is stronger than steel, and dissolves back into nature at the end of its life. That's not science fiction. That's the future being developed right now, and it all starts with understanding kelp biology. Next up is This is where engineers study nature's designs to solve human problems. Think about the abalone shell. It's incredibly tough and shatterresistant. By studying its microscopic structure, we can create new types of armor, construction materials, and protective gear that are light yet almost indestructible. Marine biologists are the ones who decode these natural blueprints, handing the secrets over to engineers to build things we've only dreamed of. So, if you're a student in South Africa wondering what to study, this is your moment. Our unique marine ecosystems, from the cold Atlantic to the warm Indian Ocean, are a living laboratory. By pursuing marine biology, you're not just preparing for a job, you're positioning yourself to be a leader in sustainable innovation. You have the chance to solve global manufacturing challenges using resources from your own backyard. You can be the one who designs the next eco-friendly material or creates a life-saving technology inspired by the sea. The bridge between the ocean and industry is being built right now, and it needs pioneers. Studying marine biology in South Africa gives you a front-row seat to this incredible transformation. You'll gain the skills to turn natural wonders into tangible, world-changing products. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in. If this sparked your curiosity, hit that like button, subscribe for more content on future careers, and share this with anyone who dreams of combining their love for the ocean with a passion for innovation. Thanks for watching.